My name's Pierre. I'm a licensed real estate agent and broker associate here in Austin, Texas, and in the state of Colorado, but you're probably not in, who cares, right? Who cares? What I'm trying to tell you is that there's this undiscovered business model, right, that I've been a part of for the last 6 years, and it's insane. No one knows about it, but the business model is called apartment locating. Alright, so if you've never heard of apartment locating, you need to get in the game, okay? Because you do need to have a real estate license, but it's a whole entire sub-niche within real estate. And so all we do is we help normal, everyday people rent an apartment, like the most well-known multifamily structure, an apartment complex, right? You can earn commission just by helping someone rent, referring a tenant over to an apartment complex, and then your client doesn't even pay you, so the whole service is free. That's why this is so amazing. And I'm here to just spread the word, right, and tell you that you can do the same thing. I mean, think about what's going on right now in today's market. It's very, very impactful to real estate agents because people are quarantined, so a lot of the times they can't meet the terms on their contract. So a lot of closings have like kind of dissolved, transactions have sort of dissipated, they've been eradicated. Everyone's talking about how it's impacting their real estate business, whether you're a buyer's agent or a seller's agent. My real estate business has not been affected, right? And if you think about it, whether buying or selling picks up or slows down, everyday people still need to rent apartments, right? And there's more renters in the market than, people willing to spend a lot of money on a house. It's just what's going on. So the point is the people that were going to rent an apartment in the next couple of weeks or the next month or the next 2 months, it's a bare minimum like living necessity. So you're still going to rent an apartment even though there's a pandemic happening. So the point is that's why my business has been unaffected. I don't really know a lot about you, obviously, but if you're interested in real estate or you're a real estate agent, I just want to let you know that you can kill it with this industry, and it is truly a game changer. And the coolest part about this whole free business, right, because we don't charge our clients anything, is that we're easily able to build relationships with people, right? Because as you could imagine, with or without you, they're going to rent an apartment, and the whole entire transaction life cycle of helping someone lease an apartment, there's only 3 steps. It's like a 3-step life cycle. It's not like we're selling them a house with 10 steps on things to get done before you close, right? So the point is that the transactions and the closings happen so unbelievably fast. It's such a great way to build a clientele as a new real estate agent, right? My first month as an apartment locator, I closed 10 clients, right? Now I average around 15 to 20 every single month. But think about that. Even if you're just doing 10 clients a month, for the year, you've built 120 relationships because there's 12 months in a year. 12 months times 10 clients a month on average, that's 120 relationships, right? So you can make a very high income with that alone, grabbing commission from brokering the rental. But the most amazing part is that it's so much easier to represent these clients as the buyer's agent, the realtor, or as, listing or selling their home in the future, right? So you're building all these relationships up on purpose, and then it's so your conversion rate to represent your apartment locating clients and become their realtor is nearly 100% because you've already worked with them from their apartment rental. It's just such an awesome business model to make money in general, but you can also generate, realtor leads during the same process. So I want to do something for you guys today, right? Let me invite you to a massively valuable presentation that I'm hosting, okay? So click the freaking button below if you're interested, because we're sort of just scratching the surface with this whole entire advertisement. If you want to learn what this business model is all about, and if it might be a good fit for you because it's easier than being a realtor and the same earning potential is there, so I know this will be a good fit for you. But if you're interested in learning more about this business model, join my free training. It's a free comprehensive presentation on what the business model is about and then the things to do to become successful in the business model, right? So just sign up, see if it's a good fit. Worst case scenario, you just learned about a really exciting sub-niche within real estate that most real estate agents don't even know about. And best case scenario, this could change your whole entire life. Apartment locating has changed our life because it's a really, really simple business model with way easier lead gen, and then we just convert them and become their realtors, right? So click the button below if you're interested in learning more. And you know what? Don't miss this. Don't miss this. Don't miss this button. Click the button below right now. Don't miss it because I'm confident it's going to have a really, really big impact in your knowledge and in your life. So just don't miss it. Click the button below. Don't miss it. Change your life right now. Click the button below. Click it. It's right below. Actually, it might be above. So whether it's above or below, click the button somewhere and I'll see you guys inside.